Right, now in Premiere Pro, the first thing we're gonna do is go to the control panel and create a adjustment layer. And this panel will pop up in front of you, which video settings will keep as default, and click on OK. Then I'll grab the adjustment layer and drag it over the two videos on the timeline. Then I'll cut a big chunk from the adjustment layer and leave just a little bit so it will be between the two videos. After that, I'll go to effects and type down transform. I'll find the transform under distort and drop it over to the adjustment layer. Then while still selected, I'll go to the effects control panel, open the transform properties and create keyframe onto scale. But before you create the first keyframe, make sure that the cursor is between the two videos. Now when we create our first keyframe, we're gonna ramp it up to 300. Then I will move 5 frames backwards and reset the value. Then I'm gonna move 10 frames forward and reset the value again. But now we have to make the transition to look smooth. So to do that, I'll select the first keyframe, right click and ease out. Then I'll select the last keyframe, right click and ease in. And to make the animation even smoother, I will open the scale properties, and down from velocity you see those two little levers that we're gonna play around with. So I will select the second keyframe, or the last keyframe in this case, and drag the lever to the left until we get this little peak. Then I'll do the same with the first keyframe and drag it to the right until we get the same peak. And now when I play the animation, it doesn't look right because we've got a black borders around the video. So to fix that, I'll go back to the last keyframe and play around with the lever until we get the perfect result. So once we've done with this step, I'll go next to the use composition angle, I'll tick the box off, and then I'll ramp up the shutter angle up to 360 degrees so we can get this motion blur look for this transition. And now when we've done everything, let's play it and see the final result. And that's it guys, that's how you can create this easy but super efficient zoom blur transition in Premiere Pro. If you did find this video valuable and you learned something new from it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.